This recipe was filmed while I was visiting Senegal, and I filmed it in the garden. I hope you enjoy it. We used 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of yeast, a pinch of salt and a pinch of sugar, half a cup of olive oil, and we mixed it together. And while I was mixing, the cook came and helped me. While the dough was well kneaded, we covered it for around 1 hour, and meanwhile we prepared the spinach filling. It was such an experience to cook outside in the garden. We cooked the onion by adding a little bit of oil, summac, salt, cinnamon, pepper, and cumin, and then added the spinach. While we were preparing the dough and the spinach outside, we were enjoying the sun and the beautiful weather. When the triangles were ready, we had to go inside and bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 20 or 25 minutes till browned, and we enjoyed eating them while warm, and they came up very delicious.